Hi guys, Rocky again, welcome back to another video. So today, since my Next has just arrived and I've unboxed it, I'm going to do yet another update video on my physical Next game collection. So this is every Next game I own as a physical game. They're not in any order, this is the ones I just pulled them out of the cupboard. Because I've been buying these games since I backed the Kickstarter in 2020, so yeah. First of all, we've got Bikers. So I know this needs an update to work on the Kickstarter, then issue 2, Kickstarter 2 next. So Bikers by Cavern Games. This is Tengu, again by Cavern Games. It's a puzzle game. The classic badgers in space. Yes, I know the controversy regarding Jim Bagley recently. We've got is this two games? This is Colony 7 and Contagion puzzle. Yeah, so that's this one. That's Bitmap Soft. There we go. Xeno Brigade. Shipped. Well, I'm not quite sure it would say that. Tavarian? I'm sure somebody will comment. Warhawk. This one, Shovel Adventure: The Next Quest. QB, which is Cubert. Saboteur Deep Cover. Now, is this the is this? Oh, this is a text adventure with graphics. Then there's Saboteur, and then is this Quantum A Storm, which is Arkanoid Breakout. So that's my physical pile of games. Some of these sell for way more than they should do now because, yeah, people are crazy. I know that's not them all. That's just my little collection here. Just thought I'd show you that. This is what I'm going to be firing up and playing on the Next later on today. So I thought I'd show you that. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.